Même si l'État met un système pour faire tout citoyen payer taxes,
even if the government put a system that makes all the citizens pay taxes,
l'État pas rentrer en peu de l'argent.
the state will still not bring enough money
Parce que tout le monde a payé en pauvre.
because everybody's poor.
Les jours où nous créons conditions,
The day when we create the condition
classe moyenne a travail.
for the middle class to
N'a pas
work,
investi dans la production
we
nationale.
are investing in a national production.
N'a pas investi dans tout système qui est dans le pays.
We are investing in all the systems that exist in the
L'argent a
country.
circulé dans le pays.
Money will circulate in the country,
Laisse ça une garantie.
and I can guarantee
L'État la combat corruption même temps la fait citoyen payer taxes.
that the state can fight corruption and they will bring more revenue.
Jodi
Today,
qui sont pas d'un paysan qui n'a tête mon Milo,
what are you going to ask a peasant that
c'est
lives
chaque
on the hills of Milo?
mais elle touche $10 haïtiens. Qui sont pas dire pour payer taxes. C'est vraiment impossible.
Who collected $10 to bring somebody up there, and now you're going to ask him to pay
Nous
taxes?
croyons que
We believe
les jours où l'économie nous a marché,
we're the day when our economy is working,
nous établissons l'autorité de l'État,
we establish the authority of the state.
nous mettons les citoyens en confiance.
We put the citizen, we give them trust.
Dirigeants nous, c'est les gens qui intègrent, c'est les gens qui sont honnêtes.
The people who are in charge have integrity and honesty. I can guarantee you that it will work.
Nous-mêmes, c'est comme ça que nous comprenons la situation.
This is how we see the situation.
Je dis,
Today,
un monde qui gagne une machine
someone who has a car
qui coûtait $100,000 américains.
that costs $100,000 US,
On l'autre monde qui a une machine qui coûtait $20,000 américains.
somebody else that has a car that costs $20,000 US.
C'est sous gaz dans l'État prend toute taxe à eux.
It's on the gasoline that the,
Tout le monde
the
paye
state
maintenant.
collect taxes. Those two people pays the
C'est pas
same
là qu'on
way.
a le point comme là.
This is not where they
C'est
should
pour
take
là
the
qu'on a le
money.
problème dans le monde qui est plus gros caillon dans le pays.
They should take the money from the people who have the biggest houses.
Là, on a cherché.
This is where they should go and get the
Pour
money.
garantir,
I can guarantee
automatiquement, je dis,
automatically
nous
today,
pas favoriser un groupe de monde entrer avec affaires, nous baillons franchise pour entrer avec affaires.
you don't allow people to bring goods in the country at a tax-free rate.
N'a pété fiel classe moyenne,
And we are destroying
n'a pété
the
fiel
middle
classe
class.
moyenne.
We're destroying the lower
C'est ça,
class.
l'économie est malade.
And that's why the economy would be sick.
Mais là, que nous jouons très bien, nous taxons tout le monde.
When we play the game fairly, everybody gets taxed
Ou pas de
fairly.
passeport qui est dans le pays.
You don't have somebody who benefits more than others.
L'ensemble du pays a marché.
L'ensemble de
L'ensemble du pays a marché.
most of the industries are working.
Bon, garantie ça. Après, nous avons l'État qui faut.
I can give you guarantee that you have a state that's collecting enough taxes.
Senator.
Brièvement, s'il vous plaît.
Je pense aujourd'hui, toute qualité de problème nous en Haïti, c'est diaspora.
I think today that all kind of problems we have is the diaspora who responds. Takes care of it. Who responds? If we have death, it's the diaspora that they call. If people get married, it's the diaspora that is called. Everything that is being done is the diaspora that is called. But when it's time for politics, they say the diaspora doesn't have the right. When they want to come and invest in the country, we stop them. This problem we have to stop it once and for all. The first thing we need to resolve is the question of nationality. We need to resolve it once and for all. This is a barrier that stops the relationship between the diaspora and the country. The question of the right to vote is another question. Effectively in the question of education.
En dehors payant, il faut que moun sa yo nous attirer et nous bailler occasion, nous créer conditions nécessaires.
We must create the condition for the people who are outside the country to be able to come back and work in the country. I believe in that.
Je pense que nous chita n'a fait on se doit gagner. Pourtant, nous avons pas de ressources qui disponibles et qui veulent porter support à nous, nous pas créer conditions pour nous recevoir.
We have a lot of resources who are ready and want to help, and we need to break the barriers so they can come back. Diaspora, I count on you. We're going to break those barriers. We have models of other places that have more people than we do.
yo même pays yo.
And we see how they use them to develop their country. It's not just taking money from the diaspora or food from the diaspora. We need to give them the opportunity to come back in the country, to invest and be part of the political